we get to talk about one of my all-time favorite Norwex products. It is the Norwex Body and Face Cloth. Look at all these pretty colors, textures, patterns. This is one of my favorite Norwex products of all time. This little cloth, this one little cloth has been a game changer for my skincare routine. Now I'm going to demonstrate this in just a second because I have makeup on and I want to remove it. But before I do the demo, I want to talk about makeup removal. If you wear makeup, you've got to be in the same boat I was in. I was so tired of spending so much money on the disposable makeup wipes, the eye makeup remover, the cleansing solution, the cleansing balm, like all the things. All you need is a cloth and water. Seriously, that's it. No soap, no harsh chemicals, just gentle microfiber that lifts away your makeup, the dirt, the grime, if you've had sunscreen on, if you've had bug spray on, all the things with just water. It's so easy and your skin is going to love it. So I know that my skin in the past has been in crazy cycles, right? Where I was using so many different products because the soaps I was using oftentimes would strip my skin of the things that I needed, then that would lead to needing toner, right? So it was like all this process. It would lead to dryness. I would have to use special moisturizers and many contained harmful chemicals. It was really a never-ending loop. But when I started using the body and face cloth, I feel like that's when I started to break free from the cycle of using so many different products on my skin to cleanse my skin. This is a natural, effective way to cleanse your skin without any extra products. And if you like to travel, you are going to adore these cloths even more. Now, forget about packing body wash, shaving cream, makeup remover, face wash, face balm, eye makeup remover. This cloth does it all. My teenage boys, they don't like to use soap. I can hardly get them to do any skincare or personal care, right? That's teenagers for you. This has been game changer for them. I have baby granddaughters. This has been great for them. So I actually use this cloth not only to cleanse my skin, but to shave my legs. No razor burn, no irritation, just smooth, happy skin all the time. To shave with this, it's wet with water. I just wring it out and rub it in an upward direction on my leg, and it lifts the hair follicle, removes the dead skin cells, and then I just follow behind it with a wet razor. It has been so good. They're also gentle. So if anyone has sensitive skin, it's so good for them. This removes the excess oils, the bacteria, the things we pick up, and the cloths really feel amazing on our skin. Plus they're environmentally friendly, so no more single-use wipes going to the landfill. Trust me when I tell you, your skin will love it. Are you ready to try it? Because I'm going to use it right now. So this is just wet with water. And you see I have some eye makeup. You guys are my mirror, by the way. So whenever you have anything thicker like the eye makeup, you're just going to hold it on there for a second. And again, this is wet with just water. And then you're going to gently rub the skin to remove all of that makeup. All right. These also gently exfoliate as we age. We need to exfoliate because of all the dead skin cells. We don't want those getting trapped in our pores, stretch our pores out, age us more than we need to be, right? So I've got some eyebrow stuff on. Let's just get all of that off. Fast, easy. If you go camping, like if you're outdoorsy, literally just pack this. It's so good. And I love that they come in a pack of 3 so that everyone in your house can have their own. And they also have these great hang tags. They tell you what they are. But the hang tag is awesome because I just keep one hanging in my shower. They also have silver in them. Okay, silver is a natural antibacterial, a natural antimicrobial. So after I use this, I just rinse it out in the sink. Sometimes I'll use a couple granules of the Norwex laundry detergent just to, if it's got makeup on it, right, to rinse that makeup out. And then I hang it to dry. And while it's drying, the silver physically destroys any bacteria that I pulled off my skin. And if you have dry skin, you want to rub like those lips, any of areas where you have maybe more dry skin, you can gently exfoliate. You're going to love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day.